Now we have the environment setup, but we are still missing the data. In order to build a data pipeline between Hive or Elasticsearch, we need to have some good volume of data. Luckily, there are many websites which offer free data, and these are real world data. So we can build real world data pipelines and create some analytics on them later. So for this exercise, we have chosen video game sales data, and you can get it from a website called kaggle.com. Now it offers this data set free, so you can go ahead and create an account on this website. Activate your account. They will send you an email to activate the account. Make sure you give the right email address. Once your account is activated, you can download the data set following this link. Okay. So once you have this data downloaded on your machine, we can move on to the next step in our exercise. So go ahead and do it now. I'll see you in the next step.